Hey guys, Caleb with PowerShades here. Follow along with our videos to make sure that your installations go by quickly and easily. So we've already measured our window and we've already measured our shade dry fit with our brackets. So now we're going to mark where we need to pre-drill our holes. So I'm going to push this all the way back and then flush with the side and go right in the middle of these two guys. And then we're just going to do the same thing for the control side. So we're going to flush it all the way back and all the way flush with the side. And right in the middle. Oop. And there we go. So now we've gone ahead and pre-drilled our holes so we can go ahead and mount our brackets. So now we can attach our idler pin end. So we'll just slide that in. And then I'm going to slide up onto the bracket on the motor side until I hear a small click. And now we're installed. So now we can tuck this wire up as much as we need just to get a clean look. Kind of adjust that fabric there to line up a little bit better, and there you go.